to today's video. In this video we are going to solve one more Leetcode question. The question is 844 backspace string compare. So it comes under easy, but it's a very good question. So let's get started. So given two string s and t, and s and t return true if they are equal when both are typed into empty text editors, and the hash means the backspace character. Note that after backspacing in empty text, the text will continue to be empty. So what they are saying, there are two strings which is like s and t, and here hash means that you are deleting that particular value. So suppose abc is the text. Okay, so you typed a, you typed b, and then hash, which means you need to delete the last added character, and then you typed c. So the resultant of this is ac. Okay, similarly for t, if I copy this and I typed a, then I typed d, then for the hash character I deleted the last character and I added c. So if after doing all the operations, if both the strings are equal, then we are returning true, and if they are not, then we will not return true. And as a corner case, if you will do an empty string like double hashes, it will be still empty. Okay, so let's think for a moment like how we are going to solve this. So here we have to deal with two strings, so with each character, right? So it's better either to split the strings into string array or the char array, whatever suits, and we need to create another string out of it as an output string. By taking this input, we need to create an output string, and by taking this, we need to create an output string, and then we need to match whether both are equal or not. Okay, so what we will do to create the string, so we need to append it. So let's take string builder. Okay, string builder. Okay, sb1 equal to new string builder. Okay, this is first one, and for the second one we will take one more string builder. Let's name it sb2. Okay, now we will loop through our first string for string str s dot split. So I'm splitting it based on an empty character, so it will split. So this results you a string array. Okay, so this is very simple. We will check if our str is equal to hash. Okay, if it is equal to hash, and if our string builder 1 dot length is greater than 0. Because if we don't have anything in the string builder, then we don't have to delete the last character, right? So if our sb builder already has something, then what we will do, sb dot delete. So this is one of the handy method of string builder. So you need to provide sb dot length, okay, -1 to sb dot length. So this is last but 1, and this is the last character, so the last element will be deleted. Okay, so if we have the hash as a string, else what we will do, we will append to string builder. Okay, so sorry, it is sb1. Okay, so same thing we are going to repeat for our string 2, that is for T. Either you can add it to a different method altogether. So I'm using different string builder for this. Okay, here as well. So now we have created both the string builder. Now we are going to compare and return. So we are going to return sb1 dot toString. Since string builder has a lot of utility methods which I needed for this particular problem, that is the reason we have opted for string builder. sb2 dot toString. Okay, so this is done. So let me run this. So our test cases got passed. Let's try to submit this. So it got submitted. Okay, hope you understood the question. See you in the next. Thank you.